The Shute Harbour Transit Terminal is a gateway to one of the world's best island tourist destinations and the Great Barrier Reef. Transit Terminal users deserve a facility in keeping with the Whitsunday region's profile as one of the premier tourist destinations in the world. The terminal is used by local workers and staff for the nearby Hamilton Island, Daydream, Dent, Lindeman, South Mole and Long Island tourist resorts, as well as tourists travelling to and from these resorts. Around 3,000 island ferries and reef island departures originate from the terminal annually, making this the second busiest single ferry terminal in Australia. Shift Whitsunday Proprietary Limited has been working since 2000 to upgrade the transit terminal facilities at Shute Harbour. Our proposal is to redevelop the Shute Harbour Ferry Terminal precinct commensurate with the Whitsunday's world-class reputation as a tourist destination. A passenger and stakeholder survey of 420 passengers and 14 major stakeholders using the terminal was undertaken by an independent market research company in March 2008. In summary, the factors that will have the greatest impact on passenger satisfaction are improved public amenities and toilets, improved level of passenger comfort in the terminal, comfortable seating, more seating, covered public waiting areas, better cafe and retail areas, upgraded taxi and bus set-down area, additional car parking. The Mackay Whitsunday Regional Tourism Investment and Infrastructure Plan 2006 to 2016 considers the development of an enhanced gateway to the Whitsundays as a key strategy and in particular access into the region via the sea. There is a clear need for more effective access by passenger ferries and cruise ships. Redevelopment of the facilities at Shute Harbour Transit Terminal, if approved, will dramatically improve council revenue returns. Additional revenue returns are expected to materialise from additional commuter usage, increased rental returns, increased car parking revenue from 311 public car spaces, currently 159. The community will benefit from increased public access to the foreshore, increased open space, including a walkway to Snows Beach, a park forum, an arbour walk, and lift access to the Lookout car park. The redeveloped terminal facility will include new passenger ticketing facilities, lounge, function room, upgraded cafe and restaurant facilities, licensed restaurant, tavern and short-stay holiday accommodation. The new facilities will provide a much superior transit experience for commuters and visitors, commensurate with the status of Shute Harbour as the second busiest ferry terminal in Australia. Due to the limited space available and the need to maintain continuing operations, it is proposed to undertake a staged redevelopment of the facility. Redevelopment of the Shute Harbour Ferry Terminal will be undertaken in 3 stages. Stage 1, 12 months, will involve the continued operation of Lease A facilities, construction of temporary terminal facilities on Lease D, construction of Stage 1 of a multi-level car park at the eastern end of the current car park. While Stage 1 will reduce the number of car parks by about 50 spaces, the newly constructed Stage 1 car park will create 195 new car parks. Current capacity is 159 spaces. Stage 2, 12 months, will involve the relocation of current tenants from Lease A to Lease D. Create materials handling area, no loss of car parks as Stage 1 multi-storey car park is online. Demolition of Lease A facilities, maintaining ferry access to the jetty. Construction of Stage 2 of the multi-level car park. Construction of new terminal at Lease A and E. Stage 3, 8 months, will involve the relocation of tenants to new terminal building at Lease A and E. Refurbishment of Lease D to tavern, restaurant and short-term accommodation. Construction of Stage 3 of multi-level car park and apartments above. Construct park and public amenity open space areas, including walkway to Snows Beach. The proposed redevelopment also recognises Lyons Lookout as an important viewing location with panoramic vistas of the waterways and island. Shift propose a partnership with the Whitsundays Regional Council to deliver a very special development with ongoing benefits for both the community and visitors to the region. We trust this presentation helps inform all stakeholders of the proposal and provides a clear overview of our vision. A vision with significant regional and community benefit.